Hi, I'm Lundqvist and I've been a colourist for 22 years, many of which I've been working with TIGI. As we launch our new TIGI Copyright Care and Styling line to partner our amazing professional colour line, I want to share one of the most exciting parts, the exclusive custom care boosters. We have 3 custom boosters in the line, Shine, Smooth and Repair, and all of them are fully intermixable and absolutely colour safe. Each of our boosters are enriched with active ingredients like the precious blend of cassia leaf and coconut oil in our Shine booster. They are known for having the highest shine properties amongst all oils, giving you glossy movement, vibrant colour and light reflecting shine after just one use. Our Smooth booster is enriched with natural 18 MEA oils and bamboo extract. They work together to be sealed into the fibre and add an additional layer of moisture, improving the hair condition and health for reduced frizz and breakage and double the smoothness. Our Repair booster does wonders to the hair by adding the loss of 7 days of keratin back into the hair in just one use. Our keratin bond complex deeply penetrates the hair cortex at its cellular level, reconstructing the hair from the inside for improved hair elasticity, reduced frizz and 95% less hair breakage. I'm going to show you how you can use these both in the salon as an additional service and also how you can help your clients maintain their hair condition at home. Assess your client's hair type and needs. I like to do a strand test to check the hair's elasticity and comb through the hair in sections to get a good understanding of where we're starting from. It's a good idea to ask your client how they feel about the hair. Do they have any issues with looking after it? Any lifestyle activities to consider? This in-depth assessment will help you identify 2 to 3 needs for the hair. I'm working with Gemma today and I can see that her hair is dry, frizzy and has some sensitivity. This tells me she needs colour care with a boost of Smooth and Shine to perfect her look. Therefore, I'm going to start with Colour Care shampoo today. Now your client's hair is prepped for treatment. Select the boosters that you need to fully transform your client's hair out of our 3 options. As I mentioned earlier, Gemma has some frizziness and dry ends, so I'm going to do a mix of our Smooth and Shine boosters. It's so easy. Simply take a few scoops of our luxury treatment base into a bowl and add any combination of 6 pumps of the boosters to your mix. I'm going to use 3 pumps of Smooth and 3 pumps of Shine. As they are fully intermixable, they mix together really quickly and easily. Then apply to the hair, ensuring even coverage, working about 2 inches from the roots to the tips. Leave this to work for 5 minutes and then rinse. Her customized care service has left her hair in perfect condition for styling and it looks so healthy. I'm recommending she continues using the Colour Care shampoo and conditioner alongside the Smooth booster, which she can mix into her colour conditioner at home. This routine would help her to recreate this look and ensure her hair stays soft and smooth in between appointments.